Hello, we are in the Advanced Engineering Show in NEC Birmingham today, and also tomorrow we'll be here. In the stand, I have my colleague, Matteo Lecco, who is our head of data science in productive machines. We are exhibiting SenseNC, which is the world's first autonomous milling optimization software. So we are exhibiting SenseNC Feeds product, as well as the SenseNC Finesse product. And also we are presenting a case study that was machined in Belfast. In this case study, we had a problem with chatter vibrations. And Matteo, I think you have the part that had chatter vibration problems. Yeah. Can you share the problem on that part and how long it took them to machine the part?
So, thank you, Erdem. So, this was the unoptimized part, and it took roughly 1 hour to machine this part altogether. And we were seeing, as Erdem mentioned, chatter vibration on this part. So, here's where we come in with our technology, SenseNC.
Yeah. So there were severe chatter vibration problems in the pocketing, profiling, and hole milling operations. And I remember in the hole milling operation, by solving the chatter vibration problem, we increased the productivity 3 times. So that was a massive productivity benefit. But on some other areas, in the profiling area, I remember we reduced the cycle time to increase the quality of the parts. And overall, there was a reduction about 21% cycle time. And also there was a 50% increase in the surface quality. So these are massive benefits for the manufacturing companies. And we are proud to exhibit this part here. And we also have tap testing demonstrator, and we have the SenseNC Finesse and Feeds on display as well. So if you're around, please come and visit our stand. We are in the hall 3 and stand number N190. See you. Bye-bye.
See you.